In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Zoom. Screen sharing is one of the most useful features in Zoom. It lets you show a presentation, a document, a website, or even your entire desktop to everyone in the meeting. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you slowly and clearly through the process so you feel confident using it, even if you're brand new to Zoom. Once you've joined or started a Zoom meeting, look along the bottom of your Zoom window for the green button in the middle that says Share Screen. On some smaller screens, the toolbar might hide itself, so if you don't see it right away, just move your mouse to the bottom of the window and it should appear. When you're ready, click that green Share Screen button. As soon as you click it, a new window will pop up with several options. At the top, you'll usually see tabs like Basic, Advanced, and sometimes Files. For most situations, you'll stay on the Basic tab. Here you'll see thumbnails of what you can share. This might include your entire desktop, specific application windows like PowerPoint, or a web browser, or a whiteboard. If you want to keep things simple and show everything on your screen, choose the option that looks like your full desktop. If you only want participants to see one thing, for example, just your slides or a single browser window, select that specific application. This is especially helpful if you have notifications or other content you'd prefer to keep private. Before you click the blue Share button in the bottom right, take a moment to look at the checkboxes at the bottom of this window. If you plan to play a video or any audio from your computer and you want others to hear it, make sure you tick Share Sound. If you're sharing a video clip, Zoom may also show an option to optimize for video. Turning that on can make the playback smoother for everyone. When you're ready, click Share. Your meeting view will change and you'll see a green outline around whatever you're sharing, along with a small toolbar that usually moves to the top of your screen. While you're sharing, participants will see only what you selected. So move through your content at a comfortable pace and talk through what you're showing. When you're done, go to that small toolbar and click Stop Share. You'll return to the normal Zoom meeting view, and everyone will see your camera or profile picture again instead of your screen.